3W. Thank you guys for all your hard work these first couple days. I just have a couple updates and a couple reminders of things. So first off, hello to Piper, Kennedy, Easton, Jackson, Michaela, Layla, Eli, Braden, Charlie, Caden, Brody, Avon, Logan, Griffin, Brennan, Grayson, Allie, try to do it one breath. Caleb, Mason, Mia, Maya, Miles, Georgia, Sierra, and Brooklyn. Alright, a couple of things I just want you to look at this screen here. If you look, I can see this stream area right here that you guys have been using to ask me questions. That is awesome. I appreciate that. I'm able to go on. I was able to help Charlie and Braden today with the science video get fixed. Thank you for telling me that, because if you don't tell me that, then I don't know there's a problem. So that's awesome. The next thing, let's look at math. So remember, at the very beginning, Mr. Westhoff said to do all the slides on day one for day one. For math, there was 2 slides yesterday, and today there was 1 slide. Make sure you're doing step 1 and step 2. Mr. Westhoff went on today to Google Classroom to check your math slides to see how you are doing, and I was able to see who got them done, who got them right, and who's on the right track, so thank you. And in reading, so day 1, if you look right here, there's all these questions right here. There's 1, 2, 3 questions. If there's a question, boys and girls, please write your answer down. That's what I'm going on and checking also to see, are you on the right track with finding the message and the main idea in the lesson? I'm checking to see if you're listening to the story correctly, okay? And there's 1, 2, another slide. Here's a question mark. So it is your job to write down, it's your job to write down the answer to that question, okay? And on the last day, the last part for reading, every single time you're doing your read to self, your IDR time for 15 to 20 minutes, you're reading a fictional story. Today your job was to tell me, what did you visualize? So some of you wrote a good summary of what your characters did and what was happening, but you didn't tell me what happened in your head. So Mr. Westhoff left a little comment for you there. And you guys are doing great with your journaling. Some of you have been creating your own ideas. That's awesome. And your ideas have all been about what's been happening with you and your family and your loved ones, maybe around the world too. Some of you I've been reading, so thank you very much. If you have something else to write that's not in this chart, that's totally fine, as long as it's about what's happening right now, okay? And the last thing is art. I'm still waiting on my sister-in-law Emily. She's going to get everything uploaded and shared with us, and I'll get that linked on so that you guys can use it, alright? So thank you so much, and thank you for your questions and all your hard work. I'm going to plan on trying to create a Google Meet for us later in the week where we can meet face-to-face. I'll get that link sent out to you guys, and it'll hopefully be pretty easy to follow, and I'm going to plan on doing that maybe sometime on Thursday is my goal, so we can see each other and kind of chat. So otherwise, keep doing great things, guys. You're making your parents super proud of all the knowledge that you have. Please make sure that if they're trusting you to get things done, that you really are getting them done, so that they don't have to worry about if you're being honest or not. Alright, they'd love to, in a kind of a time like this, to be able to trust you as much as they can. So thank you for all of that, and I will hopefully try to see you face to face on Thursday.